Alright guys, hey and welcome to a brand new video. So today what we're actually going to be doing is reinstalling the dashboard that we actually took off on yesterday's video. So I've run into a pretty major problem, actually, I'm going to say, because I've been installing the dash on my own, and just by pure memory I've just been remembering how exactly it was that we took it off. So that's what I've been doing. I installed it. I'm going to show you guys real quick. This is the only issue that I actually had to run in with, and that was trying to put all the cables back where they're supposed to go. A lot of them are already in place. Now this is the brand new one that I actually bought with the wire harness already in place. So I'm thinking that I just have to plug these in over here to these fuse boxes, and because I've already established that this goes into my sunroof control. So I'm guessing that if I plug these in into here, that'll fit right in without a problem, and that means everything will be connected again, because all of these wires, this I believe was an alarm. This wire, I'm not really sure what that was. I don't think it was anything important because it looks aftermarket. Like there's something up here. What is this? What the fuck is that? That does not look stock. What is that? I don't know what that is, but there's something up there. But yeah, I'm gonna just try reconnecting these, putting the steering wheel rack back, and placing my dashboard over it. So we'll see how we do with that. So as you can see, the dash is now installed, but the only thing that I'm actually stressing out of is all the wiring. So this wiring harness, this down here, is supposed to be connected to things up there, but I can't figure out where to connect them because their connectors don't line up. So I have to figure out where all of these cables go down here, and it looks pretty easy, but when things start to not match up, that's when it becomes a little bit weird. So what I'm going to do for now is, I've been going at this for like about maybe an hour or two, so I'm gonna quickly just take a step back, look at a couple videos to see how it is, and then come back and with a fresh set of mind, and probably do this correctly. Because I tried to hook this up, and the cluster up here, I put in the cluster and then I wired it up with these. These are the connections that go to it, and these were just giving me like really bad readings. So for some reason the temperature gauge would just spike up, and everything else was unresponsive. So I'm hoping there's nothing wrong with this harness, because if there is, we do have the original harness that came with the car, but I am gonna have to take apart this harness and then reinstall it, and that's gonna be a big pain in the butt because I have to undo this whole thing that I just did. So I'm gonna come back with a fresh set of mind and see if I can do this correctly, and if I'm still getting a terrible read up here, I'm gonna think it's the cables and try to swap out the cables. So let's just see what happens. Hey guys, and welcome back to today's video. So today I actually have something special for you guys, because I have finally completed the car. So I'm just gonna show you guys that right now. The last clip that you guys probably saw was of me actually struggling to put everything back together. I've been slowly doing it all by myself, except for that time when my friend came over to help. I had another friend come in and he helped me do the whole harness around the whole dashboard, because what I had to do was I had to take out the harness from the original dashboard, remove it, put it onto the new one, and then wrap it and then install it, because all the connections were not the same on the other one that I had bought in. So I had to basically replace the whole thing, and that's actually what I ended up doing. And it was pretty hard to do that, I'm not gonna lie. It was pretty challenging. It was a really big learning curve, because I looked everywhere. There was absolutely no manuals, no instructions, nothing that told me how to do anything. I basically did everything from scratch by myself, and I managed to do it pretty okay. you know, the good thing is that I got everything working from the car, so there's nothing more that I have to worry about. So everything works now. Alright, hey guys, and welcome back to the video. Now I know in the previous clip I told you guys that I was gonna show you guys the car and stuff, but something important really came up, and I will let you guys know exactly what that is right now. Now currently I have my friend coming to pick me up, and we're actually going to do something special because we are going to a cruise. We're not going to a cruise, we're going to a car show. There's a car show being hosted right now in Buena Park, and we are going to go attend. Now I already have one of my buddies there, or planning to go. His name is that S2K. You guys can go follow him on Instagram. He has a very nice S2000 that he's building, so that's actually a way how I've met him. Randomly saw his car in the freeway with the giant ass vinyl, and I really like this car, so I started following him. I started talking to him. He's a really cool guy, and hopefully we get to see him there. But yeah, I'm actually planning on vlogging the car show for you guys. Hopefully you guys can hear me. As you can see, I'm wearing my hunting company mask that came, and obviously I got the fit going on right now, so hopefully this is actually something cool, because I've never gone to an actual car show hosted by just a bunch of random people. So hopefully this goes well, and I'll see you guys in just a bit. Hey. Hey Brian. Hey, what's up, man?
Thanks.
How long you been building it for?
I started like 3 years.
3 years, damn. You painted it yourself?
Rattle can.
Alright, hey guys, so welcome back, and we are actually here in the middle of a car meet. So as you guys seen in the previous videos before, I've shown you guys just a little bit. There's actually a lot of insane cars here, and I actually want to show you guys one car in particular. Now this is one of my friends that I met randomly online. Do you want to say your Instagram handle, bro?
That's S2K.
So this is a good friend of mine that I randomly met on the freeway while his car was just driving around, and I saw it. I'm gonna show you guys just a little. So as you can see here, this is a Honda S2000, right?
Yeah. AP1.
So it's an AP1. As you can see, he's been building it for 3 years.
We got 3 years.
3 years. So the reason I actually added him was because, you know, all of his vinyls and stickers and license plate, they all say the same thing.
Rattle can.
Exactly, and he painted it himself. So I think he did a really good job. And I'm gonna just show you guys quickly the back of the car. This is actually what caught my attention a whole lot more. Look at this. This is actually what caught my attention the most, because this thing made me laugh completely. So this is actually a really nice car. I dig it. You know, it's 100% cool. As you guys know, I'm building my own Integra, so progress is progress. But yeah, I actually just wanted to say what's up to the homie, because, you know, he actually invited me out here. Thank you for that, by the way.
Yeah, no problem.
Because I saw this post a while ago, but I didn't know it was today. So cool last thing that it was actually today, and it's really cool meeting up with this guy. What's your favorite car you've seen so far?
The Evo 9.
The Evo. Where's that at? I haven't seen that. It's gone?
Yeah.
Fuck.
That's my next car.
Oh yeah, I came here with my buddy. He's the one that has the 8.6.
I was laughing because I was like, imagine I parked next to him.
Oh shit. You see that?
I was like, imagine that's his. But it's like a far outside.
Yeah, he has an 8.6. We parked like all the way on the other side.
In the corner.
Yeah, because we just came in and we're like, oh.
Yeah, I got packed, but they're clearing up some space.
Yeah. I asked him, like, hey, you want to drive around? You know, just show off your car a little bit?
Yeah, well, that's how it starts.
Yeah, because he got the brand new one.
You might have to turn on the light though.
That's okay. It has a night vision, so it'll. Oh shit, you got the Recaro seat too. right?
Oh no, they're energy.
Oh, it's the energy?
Yeah.
Damn.
I don't know. Oh, you can see it better over here. Well, the glare might fuck.
Yeah, I see it. I see it.
Well, yeah.
That's pretty cool.
It doesn't have anything.
Are you trying to put a roll cage in?
Yeah.
Oh, is that already in?
No, I'm trying to do it. But
Yeah.
it's like 45 to a fabricator.
Yeah, I see it. I see it. It's crazy. You just wanted to gut it or what?
You didn't know how long.
Nice.
Yeah.
This is nice. Carbon fiber splitter. Look at that. Ooh.
Huh?
Oh, yeah, this is a pretty nice car.
You get the conversion for the front. And then if you look at the center.
Oh no, I think I saw an orange
You saw the
one.
one that's parked in the corner?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's great.
We used to have a if you do it converted, it looked like a fucking spaceship.
It was a
It was,
spoon. All spoon. So this is a station.
So we are actually on our way to go look at a GTR apparently. There's like a bunch of cars here and everybody's there's a lot of really cool ones too. Like, look at this one. Look at this guy. Those are the lights that I want to get. Damn, look at that car. Whew. This shit's shiny. Mad respect for the Kirby. Oh, damn. The fair lady. Fired, sir.
You've been up in night, sleep deprivation. What's the hesitation? What's the reservation? You've been tripping with no destination. You need separation. You need recreation.
Oh, he left.
Knocking every other day. Your friends gotta step in.
The skyline left.
Chill. It's no need to turn this into Kill Bill. Look, funny, we ran into each other while we
Crazy, crazy.
walked in with a perm. Now your hair look like the weed.
Shit, I'm gonna have fun editing this video. Is that for us?
No, it's BRZ. Left.
Hey, Cobra. Oh. laughing if my cooking shows up. Ooh. That's an FRS. Ooh, some Evos there? An Evo? Damn.
That was a soup.
Nice. This is both the exit and entrance.
Well, it's tempted to fucking dip too.
Yeah, we'll head on in a bit.
Huh?
We'll head on in a bit.
With style, Mario.
Okay, that's all you, bro. Hey. Oh yeah, for sure. Hey. He just wants some jack, yeah. Woo. Turbo.
Further down, like literally really close to the car wash.
Oh, okay.
Question is, where do we have to go back where we came from? Can we get through here?
Whatever you want, bro. You want a flashy exit?
Of course, we're gonna exit through here. Drift on. I am gonna turn on track mode, so we are gonna drift.
Just don't crash, Victor.
We'll do a 360. You're like, oh, better not.
Just don't crash. Alright guys, so that's pretty much gonna be it for today's video. I'm just gonna quickly capture the part where Victor scooms out of this parking lot.
Sport. Track. Yes. You know this is sugar race.
Oh,
there it is.
Oof. Oof.
Fuck you.
Oh, yep. Looks like the cops were called, boys. Alright, Vic, you gotta be really careful now. Ooh. Ooh.
God damn.
Ooh, where's that coming from?
It's like right here.
Is that car in front? Oh, Sheba. Shit. Is he gonna keep going?
I don't think he can, that's the crew. I think I'm gonna be able to do this shit.
See those flames, boy? There it was. They're racing all right.
Yeah. These people don't give a fuck if I run them over. Oh.
All right, Vic. Don't mess this up.
Yeah.
All right. That was pretty nice, sir. That was pretty nice. Look at you with that smile on your face.
Can't go this fast. Hold on, I gotta get running in the 90s.
Gotcha. Oh, we got the bikers coming in.
Here, huh?
You went back in?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh well, Andrew Idle's being a piece of shit as always.
Get the light, bro.
I think I'm going the right way.
Yeah, just.